MSO 001, Chapter 2, Important Previous Year Question. Question are as follows. What are social concepts? How are they related to sociological theory? Discuss. Concept and theory are intrinsically intertwined. Social concept is used to signify a relationship with one another that ultimately to conclusion. Concepts are technical meaning of words commonly understood. Concept help in measurement of things, forces, formation of equation, and conduct of experiments. Concepts in interaction lead to formation of theory. Social theory refers to ideas, arguments, hypotheses, thought, experiment in explanatory speculation about how and why human society form, change, develop over time or disappear. Sociologists study at place, works, observe and analyze to theory. A theory is a related set of concepts and principles about a phenomenon or the purpose of which is to explain or predict the phenomenon. The purpose of theory formation, identification of smallest unit, and interaction among units that form compounds, interrelation between concepts, experiments to arrive at stated results or for different results explain and arise new statements. Concept and theory are intrinsically intertwined. Concept to theoretical proposition and theoretical proposition to theory and then to subject. Interrelation among theoretical conclusions become part of theory. It consists series of conclusions stated in terms of concepts and their interrelations. Theoretical propositions get linked to other and all together constitute theory in a subject. The interconnection of theorems leads to theory in general or an all-bracing theory. The interrelation and then interconnection among concepts lead to theory or better laws. So concept with its interconnection that is to theorem and concept interrelation to theory.